Christina and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the Valentino rock studs. I'm going to show you my collection and all the rock studs that I have. So if you are interested in like a comparison between the different heel heights, I already have made that video, so I will be sure to link it in my description box. And I have like quite a few reviews about these shoes, so I will link those. Everything I can think of about the Valentino rock studs I will link. This video is more of like a show and tell video. I'm just going to show you my collection and give you like a little brief like synopsis of each shoe. But if you want an in-depth detail review, then definitely check out the description box below. And if you are into designer shoes just like me, then I will also leave a playlist if you're interested in binge watching some beautiful shoes. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I'm Christina. I make multiple videos every week. I do lots of shoe videos like these. I also do handbag videos, fashion videos. I love fashion. I also have a fashion blog, which is Christinabtv.com, the same as my YouTube username, so definitely check that out as well. And let's get into the video. So up first we have the Nude Rockstud pumps, and these are in the Poudre color. These were my first ever Valentino rock studs. I wanted these shoes for years, and my husband bought them for me as a birthday gift. Well, we weren't even married at the time. This was like, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago, and he gave them to me, and I was so excited. And this really was the obsession that started it all. I'm so happy I have this one. It's the patent leather, the nude one. So beautiful, so classic. I love patent leather in, you know, designer shoes because it's really easy to clean them. They're just so stunning. I actually already Vibrammed the bottom of them, so you can easily protect designer shoes by doing that. You just need to take them to a professional cobbler. But I highly recommend this color. It is just very classic, and it's kind of one of those colors that literally goes with everything. And I always get a million compliments on this beautiful shoe. So the next shoe are these beautiful pink ones, and they have like a little bit, if you can see, they have kind of like a little bit of like a snakeskin print. Very subtle, but it is there. And this is the Kitten Heel one. So the big difference with the regular pump and the Kitten Heel, obviously besides the heel height, is that the Kitten Heel has an extra strap, so a little extra more bling bling, which I love. And these were actually my wedding shoes, and I highly recommend the Kitten Heels for your wedding shoes. If you are interested in a pair and you're thinking about it, definitely do it because they're so comfortable. The Kitten Heel is extremely comfortable. Obviously it's more comfortable than the regular shoes because the heel is lower, but I was able to pretty much dance all night in these, and kind of like these shoes in general are my go-to shoes when I need to walk somewhere far or I know I'm going to be dancing a lot all night. I definitely love these, while the high ones for a 4-inch heel are very comfortable. They're obviously not as comfortable as these. So perfect wedding shoe. They have these in like every color, so you could get them in white, you can get them in nude, you can get them in whatever, but I love pink, and I was really happy I got these because they're very practical for me, as in I'm not one of those people who's just gonna put my wedding shoes on the shelf and never wear them again. Like, I wear these all the time, and that's why I bought them, because I was like, I'm going to wear these every chance I can get. So I loved my wedding shoes so much that I ended up getting the Kitten Heels in the Noir. So this is the all black version. They do have a black version that is nude with like the strappy part, but these are all black. Love them. They're just like so fun for fall and like winter. They're like my fall and winter shoes for sure. I mean, you can still wear them like any season that you want, but I just like love how they look with like an all black outfit. I love how they look with like black dresses. I just like love wearing all black with these shoes. I just think it looks so cool, and it has like the gunmetal colored rock studs, so they're not as like gold. Most of them are a little more goldy, and these are a little bit more like darker rock studs, but these are so fabulous. So my last pair are the Leopard ones, and for me Leopard is a complete neutral, so I was able to get these on super sale, and it just sealed the deal that I needed to have them. So these are in the higher version, and if you can see really closely, the actual little black part of the leopard has glitter in it, so it's just so me. And the heel back here is gold, and it's just like very like, I don't know, it's like a more goldy leopard than it is like, you know, brown. So that's why I love it. And this is like more tan, so it just looks so beautiful with outfits. I love this shoe so much. Like, I just am so happy I have this leopard in my collection. I just think that I have a really good rock stud collection. Like, I have all the basic neutrals, like pink, black, nude, and leopard are like colors I wear a lot. So I get a lot of use out of these shoes. These are by far my favorite designer shoes ever, and I don't think rock studs are going anywhere. So if you are just a little bit nervous because they're so expensive and you don't want them to go out of style, let me tell you, they've been around now for quite a long time. I don't think that they're going to be going out of style anytime soon. I feel like it's Valentino's most popular shoe. It's come out in so many different versions now. Those are the two like most popular versions, the ones I just showed you, but they have sandals, they have flats, they have like everything. They make them in boots. Valentino makes this in like every type of style now, so you cannot go wrong with these shoes. I am very aware that they come with a very steep price tag, but I truly believe that if you are looking for an investment shoe where you want to splurge on something really special, like for your birthday or a Christmas gift, or you know, you're getting married, these are the shoes to go for. You will love them, especially if you like sparkly blingy things. I think they're way more comfortable than Christian Louboutins. I do find Jimmy Choo's comfortable, but I still find these even more comfortable. I think they're the most comfortable designer shoes out there. Maybe, you know, a wedge obviously it would be more comfortable, but for them being a 4-inch heel, so comfortable. And obviously the Kitten Heel, you can't go wrong with it. They're just so beautiful. If you do not want to spend full price on these shoes, which I totally get that, I was able to find my leopard ones on a consignment store. So if it doesn't bother you to buy some shoes gently pre-owned, I know that probably bothers some people because of like whatever, I don't know, germs, I don't know, it doesn't bother me. But if it does, then you can try to look on like Farfetch or something for, and I will link those stores below so you can check them out. And kind of like the one store, it'll be brand new and maybe a discount, but those shoes are usually like more colorful shoes. It's not like the basic colors. And then you can find the basic colors in every color in consignment. You just kind of have to stalk the website to like, you know, see when your size comes in and the color that you want. But I'll link all of that below. I hope you loved my Valentino shoe collection. I adore it so much. Love these shoes so much, and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to join the glam fam. Yes, that is what I have named you guys. You're my glam fam. I love coming on here and talking about glamorous things with you guys, so don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.